খবৰটি ongoing Manipur state violence situation hotai din report kurgen ja thakya homoiti Manipur police khanbratu 33 individuals missing report hoina thakya macheti student dujon Avinash 16 years Ningthojam Anthony 19 years toli muri jaina thakbole assume kride asapti muri ja lagalash iku details panai holipi family members khantu Sunday ja kalibra Imphal West District te Mitei customary practices hesabte last rights rakhilu shikoina khobor pailu ase sources te victim student dujon laga lash toili November 5 2023 Imphal West aro Kankobi bridge macheti bike loigina ulaja CCTV footage record thaksholipi sal opor hojaina iku details napanimiti muri jaina thakbole police khan ko hesab family members khan tu Pangoni Kuribra lash represent kurgena last right rakhilo shiko ase Manipur state government laga data asapti ajitak te ethnic violence hatsa ulagina 33 jon missing te ase aro May 3 tarik 2023 bra unrest hatsati 4786 gor 386 religious structures inika phangai digena thakya report dia ase aro iman din bra missing hoi jagina trace krubule naparija family members khan ki state government khan tu compensation uthai dibole fail hoi jai shikoina joint action committee member awas uthai dia ase khoborte survival mukukchun our student conference AKM under initiate krugina March 25 26 kali aro person din tuli aro tuzudikong county longphang kong student conference spearheaded krugina verification program launch kulobole thakya report pailu ase part of initiative ti non-local residents in Tuli, Tuzidikong aro Osor Bosti thakya khan sob valid documents of voter ID card, residential certificate RC or permanent residential certificate PRC Nijor state bra issue kri dia land pata electoral district magistrate and election officer duly signed kri dia na hulipi PRC March 24 1971 agete issue kri dia as per Central Government Cut of Year for Identification Illegal Immigrant Inikaloi Ahigina no baji phujor bra verification surkulobole koi dia ase aro Assam residents khan hulipi National Registered of Citizen NRC documents furnish hobole lage koina jonai dia ase itu addition ti non-local residents sobrapi temporary residence certificate RC current local authority and local guarantor laga maintain krubole koi digina verification toili Forest and Raw Contractor Association Hall Tuli March 25th kali aro Mengjiki waiting shed Tuzidikong March 26 inika rakhilo bole AKM initiate kurgena non-local residents khan laga documents verification rakhilo bole jonai dia ase aro AKM khan bra inika bal step loidi thakyati public participation bishi important ekta phabiloi ase aro naga inhabited area sob tipi inika drive rakhibole laki thakya viewers khan ke jonai dia ase 2 days of National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program NVBDCP Review Meeting Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Kohimati March 21-22 Health Kurgena Principal Director of Health and Family Welfare Dr. Masuthang Paton highlight kridia asapti state Peter vector-borne disease malaria control kurbo pare ase kuinda inaugural eventi address kridishe review meeting te itu malaria bemar decline kri thaka toili collective effort dedication of health workers aro commitment of district authorities tirelessly kushish kura asapti achieve kurlui ase aro malaria bemar completely hatai lobole effort digena ja thaka nishna every district bra proactive uthagena kam kurbole urge kurdishe meeting the highest number of malaria case 2090 8489 case and 35 death record thakisha aro since 2015 bra malaria elimination program launch kurlugina 2016 malaria related death record thakanai aro jasal pasta malaria case Nkukchun, Piren, Pek, aro Znebodo district bra record kurgina ja pasal bra Longlen district ti report panai ko ase itu karne health workers khan sobra every fever patient OPD visit kura khan alag bemar prove kurubole para nai koili malaria bemar screen kurubole doctor keri koi digina review meeting rakhi dia report pa asap verse khan ki state laga malaria case record details jonai dia ase aji karni iman te khatum kuri dia ase aro notun update karni stay tuned kuri thakibole itupi verse khan ge koi dia ase